Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are learning how we can find the user ID in Free Fire game. Whether you need to contact support, report an issue, or participate in events and giveaways, your Free Fire user ID is easy to find, so here is how you do it. First, launch the Free Fire game open on your Android or iOS device and make sure you are logged in. From the main lobby screen of Free Fire, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you end up in your profile section, you'll be able to see your Free Fire profile info on the right corner. You'll see a UID section at the top. Simply go ahead and tap the copy button right next to UID. Your user ID is a long string of numbers appearing right underneath your profile name. After copying the user ID, you can paste it anywhere you need, such as support forms or event registrations. And that's it. Your Free Fire user ID is now found and ready to use. Always keep your user ID private and share it only with official Free Fire platforms or trusted sources. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.